If you're looking for a simple and reliable way to handle international payment processing, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into Deel, a powerful platform that makes it easier than ever to pay international freelancers and contractors. Stick with me till the end because I'm going to show you how to get started with Deel, how to set up payments, and reveal how you can access an exclusive free trial just by using the link in the description below. Let's start with the basics. Deel is designed to streamline international payments and contract management. It allows businesses to pay employees, contractors, and freelancers in multiple currencies, anywhere in the world. The platform supports payments in over 120 countries, and Deel handles the taxes, compliance, and even paperwork. This is a huge advantage for businesses looking to manage remote teams without worrying about international payment headaches. To get started with Deel, you'll need to sign up, which is a simple process. Head to the Deel website, click Sign Up, and create your account. Once you're in, the platform lets you onboard workers quickly. Whether you're hiring someone full-time or just for a project, Deel will generate compliant contracts automatically based on your country and the employee's location. Once you have your workers set up, Deel makes it easy to pay them. You can add your preferred payment method, such as a bank transfer, or use Deel's integrated payment system, which supports direct deposits and even cryptocurrency payments. The platform will handle all the currency conversions automatically, so you don't need to worry about exchange rates or transaction fees. Deel also offers a secure and transparent payment history, which keeps everything organized and helps with tracking expenses. For contractors, Deel provides a seamless experience. They can view their invoices, track payments, and manage their taxes, all in one place. This eliminates a lot of the back and forth that typically comes with international payments, and it ensures that everything is compliant with local tax laws. Deel also integrates with other platforms like QuickBooks and Xero, so managing your finances is even easier. Another great feature of Deel is its contract automation. Deel automatically generates contracts based on the terms you select, ensuring that they are legally binding and compliant with local laws. This feature is especially useful for businesses that are scaling quickly or working with a large number of contractors around the world. As a business owner, you can manage multiple payments and keep everything under one dashboard. You can set up recurring payments for long-term contractors, track payment status, and even generate tax documents for the end of the year. Deel does all the heavy lifting for you, making sure that you stay compliant with local tax regulations in each country you operate in. Now, if you're wondering about security, Deel has that covered as well. With its high-level encryption and secure payment system, your data and funds are always protected. The platform also provides great customer support in case you run into any issues along the way. Whether you're a startup or a large enterprise, Deel scales with your business, so you won't need to worry about switching to a new platform as you grow. And here's the best part. You can start using Deel completely free. That's right. You can access an exclusive extended free trial of Deel by using the link in the description below. This is your chance to test out all of Deel's features, like international payment processing, contract automation, and payroll management without any upfront cost. So, if you're ready to take your international payment processing to the next level, Deel is the tool you need. Make sure to grab that free trial through the link below and get started today. In conclusion, Deel is an excellent solution for businesses that need to pay international contractors or employees with ease. With its automatic contract generation, secure payment processing, and user-friendly dashboard, it takes the complexity out of managing global payments. Don't forget to check out the exclusive free trial in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.